Good morning, everyone. I'm just sitting here watching Chippy. That's our little friend, the chipmunk. And he's just staring at me because I think he wants food. And I think he thinks I can't see him over there. But I see you, Chippy. Hi, Chippy. I've been feeding him over in the flower garden, so I'll have to go get him some food. And speaking of gardening, I'm going to be trying out and testing these garden shoes from the company HISEA. I just took them out of the packaging and they're so cute. They're like really flexible too. I thought they were going to be like hard. And this company, they have a lifetime warranty. You just have to register for that, which is great. And this is what they look like when I took them out of the packaging. Like, they're just super, super cute. I really am surprised. And they come in all kinds of patterns, all kinds of colors. And they also have men's, women's, children's, boots, and outerwear. They have really cool stuff on their website, and it is very reasonable. I wanted to try these out because they're waterproof. They got really good recommendations online. The gardening shoes I have now are pretty shot, so I'm excited to try these out, and I'll tell you how I liked them a little bit later on in the video. So now let's head out and do some errands. I have to stop and get some gas. I'm going to stop at Wawa today, so we'll check out the gas prices. Who knows what they are anymore, right? Every day they're different. Oh, they're going to get lower. Oh, they're going to get higher. Oh, they're going to get lower. Oh, they're going to get higher. So who knows what they're going to be today. This is the Wawa in Morgantown, right across the street from the Windmill Restaurant. I normally get the gas up at Shady Maple, but I'm on E today, so I don't really have a choice. And I didn't look at the gas price, so we can look at the price together. I'm kind of afraid to look. Today it is, what does that say? $4.39. So $4.40 for regular unleaded. And I forgot to say, today is June 12th, so that's where we are. Okay, so the next place that we have to go is right down the road from here. And again, this is Morgantown. There's the Windmill Restaurant right there. And we're going to turn right on to Route 23. And I need to stop at the thrift shop. I need to try to find a tablecloth. And since we're going right by here, I thought I would stop real quick. This thrift shop is the Morgantown Reuse It, and I love this thrift shop. It's not like a super huge one, but they have great things. It is so clean. You know, I know they sanitize all the kids' stuff, and the people are awesome. So we're going to stop right here. And they're open Monday through Saturday, closed on Sundays. So here we are. We'll pull in, and they also have a donation center right up here on the left. And those of you who watch, you know I always stop here and donate my stuff. And I actually have a whole bunch of stuff that I have to donate, and I forgot it today. But oh well, we'll just run in. And it's not very busy in the parking lot. This place gets mobbed, but we're at a good time this morning. It's about 9:30. And the color of the week is purple, so you can get some extra discounts on purple tags. So we'll just check out here for some tablecloths. I'm not seeing them right away. They're normally right here. And look at this grandma clothespin holder. That is super cute. My daughter, she likes like stuff like this. It's like old-fashioned-y. We call her like, you know, she likes grandma stuff, but she would love that. And look at this pretty vintage dress. I guess it's like a wedding dress. It's really pretty. I love looking at the old, you know, the vintage things. They're really cute. And speaking of vintage, look at this neat stool. I love, like, you know, like the diner, like 50s diner stuff. I would love to have, my husband and I are always like, we would love to have a kitchen like a diner. But long story short, we didn't have any luck here. No tablecloths today. They were literally sold out of tablecloths. So they must be really popular this time of year. Maybe with, you know, graduations and 4th of July, maybe there's like a lot of parties going on. So people came here to get tablecloths because, you know, all the time you can come in here and get a, you know, like a nice tablecloth, but they were literally sold out. The lady couldn't even believe that they didn't have any. So anyway, tablecloths are a hot commodity at the Morgantown Reuse It right now. All right, we are in Terry Hill, Lancaster County right now, and we are headed to Goods Feed Mill in Five Pointville. Although some addresses I've seen at Five Pointville and some say East Earl. So it's, if you type in Goods Feed Mill, in East Earl or Five Pointville, it'll come up. It's the same name. So I need to get some bird seed. The bird seed here is literally the cheapest I've found anywhere around in Lancaster County so far. So I'll show you the price of what I'm getting. And if you guys have found something cheaper, you can definitely leave a comment. So I really like coming up here. They have lots of stuff here and the prices are really fantastic. I just had to show you what the wheat fields look like in June in Lancaster County. Isn't this incredible? This is absolutely beautiful. All the gardens and fields are coming in now and it's just looking amazing. But that wheat is just really spectacular right now. And here we are at Goods Feed Mill. It's not too busy here either. So normally, we lucked out. The thrift shop is normally packed. The feed store is normally packed. So I don't know, maybe everybody's outside doing yard work or something like that. But I'm really glad so I can run in and out of here easy because sometimes you kind of get hung up at the checkout here. Here's the bird section and they have all this stuff. I think I'm going to get some peanuts. They have this giant bag for $12.75 and it's a huge bag. And I also need some regular bird seed mix. And I always get Bird's Blend that has corn, sunflower seeds, and some other seeds. And for 25 pounds, it's $10. And I think I might try these craisins today too. So really good prices here at the feed mill. So again, this is Goods Feed Mill. If you have bird feeders, this is a wonderful spot to stop. It's been a couple weeks and I wanted to give some feedback about these gardening shoes that I've been wearing. So I have to say, I'm really, really picky about shoes. I have flat feet, first of all, so I'm kind of particular about the kind I wear because it can't hurt my feet because they've got to be comfortable because I'm really active. And these shoes, I have to say, right out of the box, they are so comfortable. And I've been wearing them all around the yard, but I've also worn them out to stores and stuff like that. I haven't just been wearing them for gardening, but they're really cool and they're really comfortable. They're really flexible and they're really soft and they have not given my feet any problem at all. So for comfort, I give this garden shoe a 10 out of 10, no question. Now the fit, I'm gonna say I normally wear a size 8 and these might just be like a smidge bigger, but they don't slip at all, if that makes sense. But for gardening, they're really super comfortable. I haven't gotten blisters or anything like that. So, the size I feel is pretty right on and I really like the size actually. For gardening and yard work, I really, really, really like this shoe. I've been picking up a lot of sticks. We're getting a new septic system in our yard and we've been having to do a ton of yard work. So pickers and stuff like that. This was a surprise. I wasn't even wanting to test this, but I had a whole bunch of pickers and the pickers just slid right off of my shoe. It didn't get stuck on it at all. And for cleanup, it's so easy. You just, you can wipe them off or you can hose them off and they look good as new. It's so super easy. These shoes are waterproof, which is super awesome. So if you're working outside in the rain or walking in the rain, it's no big deal. And you can just stick your foot under the hose and rinse off your shoes. Look at all this mud that's coming off of my shoes. Easy peasy. If you guys are interested in these gardening shoes or any of their other awesome outdoor products like boots, jackets, waders, you can use QP15 for a 15% off of your order. Just click the link that I've put in this video's description to receive your discount. And also, if you guys do purchase anything, it also helps our channel. And if you do order anything, definitely leave us a comment how you like the product. So I definitely recommend these awesome gardening shoes from HISEA. All right, let's head to our last errand, and I think our most fun errand, Yoder's Country Market, right here in New Holland, Lancaster County. I need to run in here. We need to get some salad stuff, and today I am going to grab some sprouts. They sound kind of good and add a little extra healthy thing to our salad. And over here they have some sweet corn coming in from Florida. I am dying for some sweet corn. I'm not going to get it today though, but that's going to be coming soon. If you're in Yoders, all the way in the back where like the milks are, at this back corner, they have a window and it looks like they are actually processing the milk today. So normally, you know, when I'm here, they are not actively doing that, but this is pretty cool. So definitely check back at the window. You can see them, you know, processing the milk that they make right here at Yoders. Well, I didn't find tablecloths at the thrift shop, but here's a couple of them for $1.99. I'm just gonna grab one of these. Perfect. I never noticed all these cute slippers. They're called comfies. They look really, really comfy for $14.99. I love comfy soft stuff. You can never have enough comfy stuff. And then look over here, they have all these other socks. I never noticed that either. Lamb's wool socks, and then they have all these other like soft socks. And then over in this section, they have like novelty socks, 7-Up, A1, Kool-Aid, mustard, pretty cool. Well, those were some fun errands that we got done today, and I hope you enjoyed that. I also hope you enjoyed checking out the garden shoes with us too, because they're pretty cool as well. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Whatever you're doing today, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.